It's happened again. I got another box, and it actually showed up in the mail, partially open. So hopefully it's all in there okay. So let's rip that tape off since it was already coming off anyway, and see what's in my box. So, open for you, recycle for everyone on the planet. Oh, that's really cool. And then it says the art of well-being. I love these boxes. Even the recycling stuff is pretty. Like, it's ridiculous. Let's throw that. We have a Isoline shake, which is mint chocolate. So let's see if we can get that to, there we go. Look at that. I am looking forward to trying that. In fact, I'm gonna be making myself one of these afterwards. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna try though. Then we have a box. I don't know what's in the box, but there's stuff that's not in the box, so let's look at that first. Ionic Supreme. I will talk more about this later when I get to know a little bit more about what it is. And then I also have, oh, it's a cleanse for life. Natural berry flavor. That's really cool. I'm looking forward to trying that. I need a knife for this. Okay, so what else do we have here? Oh, okay. It's another smoothie, but it's in a bag in a box. So I'm just gonna whey-based, oh, it's birthday cake. OMG. There you go. Birthday cake flavor. I think I might have to go with the birthday cake first. OMG. That is so cool. Okay, what else do we have? I'm gonna put this box away, and we have another box. This is Ice of Delight. Okay, so we got the plastic wrap off of it. Oh, okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside. Shall we try one? It basically looks like chocolate. It basically just looks like a little chocolate with like a little person on it. Oh, that's yummy. Chocolate infused with green tea? Are you kidding me? This is amazing. This is dessert. This is totally dessert. I haven't even had dinner yet. So we have a shake. We have another shake. We have some yummy Isobites. Ionic Supreme. I'm going to learn more about this and talk to you more about it later. And a beautiful purple cleansing product. This is my stuff that I just got. I am excited to try it all. Amazing. Mwah, mwah, mwah. If you want to learn more about getting this stuff and you want to try it with me, just send me a message and let me know and I will absolutely hook you up. Ta-da!